Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing this SSD right here. Okay, the specs will be put up in a minute. So without any further ado, let's get unboxing. So first I'll open the packet. Fair enough. And yes, here we have the SSD. Okay, so there's a tiny tape in here. We'll actually just cut through that tape. Okay, the tape should be cut by now. Yep, there we go, the tape is cut. Let's open. The box inside looks something like this. Let's pull it out. And here's the SSD. A tiny SSD, just about the size of your finger. Okay, it is 2 terabytes. So let's open it. The SSD is so tiny. Okay, there's a tiny SSD. It's a SanDisk SSD. Now we'll keep this aside. Then here's the manual and all the stuff. Okay, here's a USB-C to C cable and a USB-C to A3, USB-C to USB 3 adapter right here. Okay, let's keep that. The C to C cable, along. Let's connect that to this hard disk right in here. Okay, let's install first. Connect the cable. Connect to a USB 3 connector. And then let's connect this to my laptop. So let's be seeing all the stuff of it. Okay, so now I'll be connecting the SSD and let's be checking what it looks like. Uh, Thing is, I don't have a USB-C, so I'll be using the USB-C to USB 3 connector. So, well, my benchmark might differ from yours. Now, it's detected as Extreme SSD 1.81 terabytes. Well, actually, it's 2, but it shows a bit less. Like my 1 terabyte hard disk has 931 gigabytes. Okay, never mind that. Let's get started. Let's go in here and see what all is there. There are two files, the SanDisk software, that is one is for Windows and one is for Mac. Now let's see Crystal Disk info. Okay, here it is. I'll be going to the D drive, that is the SSD. Okay, something funny here. It's his Western Digital, even though this is a SanDisk, they might be using a Western Digital hard disk inside. So I don't mind that. Like my hard disk here, that's a Hitachi something, but I actually use that SATA HDD with external connector. So never mind that. Let's get here. It's WD inside this SanDisk hard disk. That's funny. And power up count 11 counts. That's me. Host reads and writes 29 GB, 92 GB. Well, the point is, I did run Crystal Disk Mark once before this video on this, and I'll run it again to show it to you guys. Never mind that. So this was all zero first time when I ran Crystal Disk Info and saw it. Now we can open up Crystal Disk Mark. Okay, here it is. Let's see, 9 test counts, 64 GB test size, the disk drive, that is the D drive, settings is NVMe SSD. Let's see if this thing is an NVMe. Yeah, it is an NVMe right here. So settings, it's an NVMe, not a default drive. Give me SSD. Let's take that. Profile. We'll just go it for peak performance right now, and let's hit start. It'll take some time. I'll be coming back after it finishes. Till then, it's a fast forward. So let's get started. Okay, so now that it's done, you can see the specifications, read speeds, write speeds, and everything. Now let's back up the disks, like the data from basically copy the data I have in the other disks. Basically, I have a 1 TB disk with all the data in it. I'll back that up to here and put the 1 TB 2.5-inch disk, 1 TB 3.5-inch disk, and 500 GB 3.5-inch disk in RAID 0 in the next video. So copying, I'll do it. I won't be showing that in the video. So that was all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.